The sample recording for the slide share, Influence of Trinity on 20th Century Composers, for redoing it. Slide 2, EVRB picture. The next is the biographical sketch, and then the genealogy of EV, and about the family deity temple, Paraganjeri Amman, near Palakkad, Ennapadam. Then the set of kritis in different talas, Dhruta and Chaturasra Lagu, how the Rupaka tala is converted to 6 units. Then the doxological comparison of Trinity and EVRB. So this slide has to be arranged before the talas. Then about the ragas derived, the new ragas and the talas, this also has to be rearranged along with the Tyagarajas mentioned. The ragas found for the first time in Tyagaraja's compositions. Then the list of general kritis, 42 kritis of EVRB, which again has to be organized. The 108 list is not given, only the title is given, so this has to be included. This has to be arranged in such a way that it comes within one slide. This is going across various slides. So the Sambhava Kritis of EVRB to compare with the Sambhava Kritis of the Trinity, and the general mudras used, type of mudras used by the Trinity and EVRB. Then the Kriti set in talas, that earlier slide of Rupaka Tala should come here. Other than Adi, Rupaka and Chapu, which are the commonly set talas for the Trinity's Kritis. The Deshadi Tala term of Tyagaraja, how it applies to EVRB. And Madhyadi also, along with the examples of Tyagaraja Kritis. Gitatamu notation, example for Madhyadi. The 3 padams, different endings for Tyagaraja Kritis and EVRB Kritis. Then before this we have to check the Madhyadi and Deshadi Tala examples, give all the list out all the talas, Kritis in Deshadi Madhyadi of EVRB, to see the proportionate usage of Deshadi Madhyadi talas in comparison with Tyagarajas. Then Kanta Chapu demonstrate the raga treatment, similarity in treatment by Muthuswami Dikshitar and EVRB. The melodicity setting, similarity with Shama Shastri and Subbaraya Shastri, with an example of Ananda Bhairavi, along with the Chittaswara and Sahitya. The Ananda Bhairavi Kriti has to be checked with EVRBs with Swara notations. Then Tala setting for Viloma Chapu, then Misra Jati, Misra and other Chapu versions, Tisra Triputa, how the Prasa adapts to Misra Eka, like Sri Mahaganapatir Vasumam of Dikshitar. So it should be Mr. Eka and not Mr. Chapu. So a comment on the usage of Chapu term and Eka, Mr. Ek terms. Then the Chapu version of Tisra Triputa, Ninuvina, as an example of Shama Shastri. Again, Ninuvina, Charanam, Anupallavi, Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charanam with the prasa rhymings. This slide again shows the Ninuvina Charanam. For Nanu Brovu Lalita, the notation scanned copy has to be clearly with the contrast and brightness. Nanu Brovu Lalita for the Viloma Chapu. Nanu Brovu Charana Anupallavi. This has to be arranged. These slides have to be arranged. And that seems to be the end of okay, there is one blank slide before we go to Tyagaraja Anupallavi of Buddhi Radhu Shankarabharanam Viloma Chapu, while Charanam at 3. Devasri Tapas Tirtha Puri Madhyamavati Tyagaraja in Viloma Chapu throughout. This has to be explained.